everyone, welcome back to Like Mother, Like Daughter. I'm Twyla, and today I'm going to unbox the Peaches and Petals Lifestyle Box really quickly for the month of December. My hair is so messy. I've already filmed this, or so I thought. I have a bad habit of hitting the button twice because I don't think that it's recording. And it is, and then I hit it again and it turns it off. Long story short, I went through, I opened up the whole box, went through everything, and realized at the end that it wasn't recording. So, Peaches and Petals is a lifestyle box for women. It is $19.99 a month. They do send this box to Claire and I free for review, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to just quickly unbox the items in here. So, it does come with a little card that has the theme on it. It tells you in a little story kind of way what you're getting in the box, but it doesn't have any product information on the card. If I can find any coupon codes, I will link those below. It says the theme is Let's Get Cozy, and 'tis the season to be cozy. The first thing that's in here is this wooden box sign, and it says, I always carry a knife in my purse, you know, in case of cheesecake or something, which that's cute and it's funny, but it's not a cozy sign, nor is it a December theme. You would have thought that at Christmas time there would have been something about the season of giving or hope or love or something. I know that the Christmas holiday is a religious holiday, but you would have thought that there would have been something in here about that. The next thing that they have in here is this nice little paper blanks, little jade mini wrap lined memento pouch journal. So it is magnetic closure. It looks like a book. It is very, very nice. It looks like old leather, but it's hard bound. It has lined pages even with a little ribbon, which is very, very elegant looking. And I don't journal. I do use lined notebooks for to-dos, tasks, ideas, and things. I don't really journal, but this is really nice, and it would be a very nice gift or something nice for me to use. The next thing in here is a 16-ounce Moscow Mule mug, antique copper, and I will unwrap this really quickly and show you. There was a story on it about how the Moscow Mule cocktail came about. What it says that it's a cocktail of vodka and ginger beer, and that it became popular in the 1940s. It was invented by John Martin of Smirnoff Vodka and Jack Morgan, which was the owner of the Cock and Bull Tavern. John Martin of Smirnoff wanted to promote his vodka, which wasn't back then as popular as gin. And Jack Morgan wanted to increase the sale of the ginger beer that he made at the tavern, so they dubbed their new creation the Moscow Mule with vodka and ginger beer, and served it in a copper mug to increase its prestige and distinguish it from more mundane cocktails. So there you go, 16 ounces lined with nickel. And oh, look at that. It's a mirror. I can see myself in the end of it. So very neat, very nifty. And then the last thing that they had in here is this knit cap from the August Hat Company. And it is, I love it. Love it. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. And I do think this is a nice box this month. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. If you've watched this after Christmas, I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Come back and see me again. Mwah! Bye.